Yeti, are you this excited? Let me show you. Yeti and I are very excited because we just received the prototype batch of the Bitcoin Belief cards. These are 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. This is the latest artistic, even though I have zero artistic talent, this is the latest artistic prototype that we produced, Yeti and I, and I've been giving them away for free. I mean, it's all open source. Let me fix the shrink wrap on this. Let me undo the shrink wrap. So these are 21 Bitcoin Beliefs printed by a mom and pop shop in upstate New York. And the quality is amazing. The paper is really solid and it's glossy. So 21 Bitcoin Beliefs, not in any particular order. Well, they're in particular order that I thought made sense. But I'm coming up with a board game to come up with these games, but they're also for educational tools. This is just a blank cover, but I'll show you very quickly. So 21 Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin. This one's Yeti's favorite, Honey Badger Don't Care. And I should speed up this part of the video. The print house is a small mom and pop shop upstate New York. They don't guarantee that when you receive the deck, it is arranged in the order that I sent the designs from 1 to 21, but that's fine. That's fine. I can go with a more. I didn't want to produce it in China, and I wanted it to be. In particular, I wanted it to be a small mom and pop shop I can just drive and visit and friends and, keep it within the Bitcoin circular economy. So I just wanted to show you very quickly. Let me just arrange them from 1 to 21. And this video is horrible. I am so bad at being a video maker, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care. I'm a mathematician. I'm not an artist. I'm not a video maker. My goal is just to show you the 21 Bitcoin core beliefs. You tell me if you agree with all of them or agree with the ordering that I thought of their importance or their order of kind of like PEMDAS order of operation. Let me see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, where's 15? 15. Okay, let's go through them. Are you ready? Okay, Yeti lost interest already. He's watching the rain. Okay, 21 Bitcoin beliefs. Number 1, don't trust, verify. Number 2, stay humble, stack sats, hodl. Number 3, fix the money, fix the world. Number 4, I love this one, infinity over 21 million. That's right. I run a Bitcoin node, Yeti and I run a Bitcoin node, and so guess what? We enforce that it's always going to be 21 million, no more. 276 cubed, as Michael Saylor says. Okay, number 5, there is no second best. Speaking of Michael Saylor, that's something he says. Sticking with Michael Saylor again. Number 6, it's going up forever, Laura. Number 7, my absolute personal favorite, anti-war, pro-peace, make war unaffordable. Number 8, 100%, not your keys, not your coins. Number 9, laser eyes, diamond hands. Number 10, proof of work. Number 11, rules without rulers. When we say we are anarchists, it doesn't mean we want chaos. We want apolitical, apolar, rules without rulers. Number 12, sovereignty through code. Number 13, separation of money and state. That's right, we are Austrian economists. Separation of money and state. Rest in peace, my father. He was an Austrian economist. Baba Jamil, I love you, Baba. You taught me Austrian economics, separation of money and state. And it's a nice little gesture that it's 13 with the Statue of Liberty. It's 1776 all over again. Okay, number 14, be your own bank. That's right, you don't need a bank to custody your money. You don't need a bank to transact with your money. You don't need a bank to send money over, whatever. So you can be your own bank. You could run a Bitcoin node. 15, I love this one. Bitcoin's very stable. People say it's volatile. Nope, every 10 minutes, TikTok, next block. Number 16, that's very important to me. Bitcoin, not crypto. Bitcoin, not crypto. Bitcoin is money. All the other crypto, that might as well just be fiat. Not for me, it's not money. That's like companies, you want to invest in them, that's fine, but it's not for me. I'm Bitcoin only. Sorry, if you're offended by this, it's no shit coins. Number 17, sell a kidney if you must, but keep the Bitcoin. That's right. That's right. Another Michael Saylor classic. Yeti loves this one. Honey Badger, don't care. Number 8. Number 19, retire your bloodline. I just want to see. Honey Badger, because black and white, and Yeti, my dog, is black and white, so he loves this one. Okay, 19, retire your bloodline. That is true. Number 20, how many chairs are you sitting on right now? How many chairs are you sitting on? Michael Saylor classic. And number 21, Bitcoin is not only the store of value, it's not just a novelty collector, it's not just novelty collectible, it's not just store of value, it's not just medium of exchange. Bitcoin is also the unit of account. One Bitcoin is one Bitcoin. The world is better when we have finite, sound, digital money. Bitcoin believes, and these are beautiful. They don't really even need to be laminated. 3.5 by 3.5. They sent me 2, which is fine. And I love this. I love this. This is great. And they come packaged, Ziplocs. I've been giving the prototypes for free that I printed myself. These came professionally printed by a small mom and pop shop. And I've been giving them for free to friends, Bitcoiners. And I'm coming up with math and strategy games based off them. But people can also have them for decoration. You can have 2 and play memory, right? You can have 2 and play memory, and that's just not. You can have multiple of them and play a game like Pit. You can have a game like Set. There's all these different designs. And this is it. It just goes to show you, when you're a Bitcoiner, there is no limit. You could use AI. You can create art, even though you're not an artist. And you can give and to Bitcoiners, work with Bitcoiners, and then they can pay you in Lightning if they wanted to, value for value. It's a great world. We don't need central banks. We don't need government money. We are freedom-minded, libertarian, Austrian economist, and live and let live, and fix the money, fix the world. Where is this one? Yeah, fix the money, fix the world. Thank you.